So, hello again, Lolo Alethea is here. Today's menu is shrimp Alfredo. There are my seasonings, as you can see, that I'm going to use. Mozzarella cheese, wide, extra wide egg noodles, and the shrimp. Medium shrimps, the vein. I'm going to soak them in some salt water. We're going to fry the shrimp up. We're going to boil our noodles, and then we're going to put it all together in the Alfredo sauce. Let's roll. And here is the Alfredo sauce. Fresh, creamy sauce. Here I'm heating up my water for my noodles. I placed the salt in the pot. Heating up the butter to saute the shrimp. And the shrimp was soaking in salt water in the sink. This is how the shrimps are looking after I saute them and add my seasoning. And here are the cooked noodles. We're going to put it all together. Now, as you can see, I put it all together for you, and this is how the dish is looking. Scrumptious.
I said yes, I see you.
Bon appetit. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Shrimp Alfredo.